Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. We're going to be doing the Life of a Rose Polygel Kit by Makartt. This kit is $42.99 on the Makartt website. You can use my 15% off discount code if you'd like. I also have a Makartt Amazon discount code also right there on the screen if you'd like to use that. So here is everything you get included in the kit: your brush and spatula, your file, your base and top coat. And then you get 4 of these beautiful pink and red polygel colors. Now I figured, why not do a breast cancer awareness manicure? I know it has been requested, so that's what we're going to be doing. Now they do come with dual forms. I do not use these dual forms. This is going to be another part to my series of dual forms because we're going to be using some dual tips. So let's go ahead and get into the swatching. This one here is called Wilted. This next one up is called Bud. And then we have Hip. And the last one is called Bloom. As you can tell, they are all very, very beautiful colors by Makartt. Alright, so I'm going to use my Peel Off base. I have already applied that to my nails. I did let that dry. And I'm going to go in with their base coat. Apply that from cuticle to free edge. After I apply the base coat, I do a 30-second cure. I'm going to use these ribbons I got from my friend Gigi, MVP Nail Designs, and these are the dual tips we'll be using from AliExpress. Now, to use these, they need to go from sidewall to sidewall without pressing down, and you're just going to put that on the tip of your natural nail plate. Alright, so I take the base coat and I apply it inside the tip so that it holds my glitters and my ribbons. Now, I only use the pink ribbons, and as you guys can see here, I do put them all upside down. I don't even realize it until after. I'm also going in with the Nail Candy Shop's Fruity Pebbles glitter. It's beautiful, bright neon, lots of pink. I figured it would go great with this set. So I just put that in between the beautiful ribbons. And I do this to all the tips. I figured, why not try to do it like the easy method, and it worked. I do flash cure those glitters and ribbons in place. That way when I'm putting the polygel in, it doesn't move around. Super easy. And that's how it's going to look. For the pointer finger, I only put in the glitters. I don't use any ribbons. Now I will say, the next time I do these dual tips, we will definitely go shorter. I really did not care for how skinny these nails looked. So continuing to put in the glitter and the ribbons until it's time to put the polygel in. Alright, so again, I'm using my base coat as my slip solution. I'm going to go in with the polygel next. Now with this one, I put all 4 colors just to see how it looks, and I really didn't like it, so after this one nail, I go ahead and just use one color in the dual tip. And you want to also make sure that it's nice and smooth in the center and it still has that nice C curve, or else you're going to have to file a lot of that bulk. After you get this finished and you've got your dual tip filled, you're going to flip it over, apply it to the tip of your nail, push down. You will have a little bit of polygel squish out. Go ahead and cure that. I'm just flash curing right now, and then I go ahead and put it in my lamp for 30 seconds. And then you're going to squeeze it and then pop it off. Just like so. So with this one, I kind of do like a little trick or tip or whatever you want to call it. So after I apply the polygel up by the free edge, I give that a flash cure. That way, when I turn the dual tip over to apply it to my nail, I'm not grabbing a hold of the polygel and it's not getting all over my fingers. So as long as you stay up close by the free edge, you're not going to cure anything down below by the cuticle or, where it's going onto your natural nail plate. So you can still smooth that up and perfect that before putting it on your nail. Alright, so now, right here, I was getting polygel all over my hand when I would turn it over. But since I flash cured the tip, I'm not getting it all over my finger. If that makes sense. It worked a lot easier. So then I go ahead and cure for 30 seconds. And then this one took me a little time to get off. I don't know why. It was being really stubborn. But eventually it just popped off. There you go, finally. Okay, so I continue adding the polygel, curing it up by the free edge, and then flipping it over and applying it to my nail. Now I do go down a little further than just my free edge, but you can do either or. You can put it at the very tip of your free edge on your natural nail plate, or you can put it down a little further like I did. It's not going to matter. It's not going to make no big difference. Okay, after I apply my last nail, I'm going to go ahead and pop it into my light and do a full 60-second cure. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to buff the shine off of these nails, because when you pop off dual tips or dual forms, it leaves a shiny surface. And then I'm also going to take off any of the bulk that's squished out during the application. The bit that I'm using is a bit that I did review, and I will link that video in the cards. It is a fine bit, a fine carbide ceramic bit. And it is a safety bit because it has the smooth top. I'm using my Melody Susie dust collector and my Melody Susie e-file, which the e-file review will be coming very shortly. It is amazing, you guys. I'm going to go in and add more polygel to the cuticle area and perfect my apex, or try to anyway. Guys, I haven't done this in so long. I have not put polygel on top of the nail in so long that I almost forgot how to do it. They didn't turn out too bad, but there were a couple nails where there should have been more product. Absolutely. So I go in with the same color that I did in the nail at the cuticle area. And then I go in with Makartt's clear polygel from the center to the free edge. To kind of just, give the nail more strength, build up the apex, and kind of encapsulate everything. And I do it the same way with all the nails. This is one of the ones that should have had way more product. I made it way too thin. It just didn't look right. So if you guys are still listening, what I would like you to do in the comment section is I would like you to comment with a breast cancer awareness ribbon along with your comment, if you don't mind. Now I do flash cure in between, that way the polygel is not running and slipping and sliding. The polygel was wonderful. I really liked the consistency of it. Alright, we're on the last nail. And then I'll begin to file any bulk, shape them up, buff them, finish filing, and all that good stuff. So again, going in with the file and the same carbide ceramic bit. Just going to bring down the bulk, shape them up a bit, go down, make sure my sidewalls and cuticle areas nice and tight, nice and smooth. Everything is nice and proportioned, which it was not on a few of these nails. Like I said, I did need more product on a few of them. Not gonna lie. I really did like how these nails left a nice C-curve. I really liked that fact that these dual tips made such a beautiful C-curve. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my buffing block and just buff and smooth everything. And then after I buff them, I will finish filing with a hand file. They don't look too bad, but in my personal opinion, they're too skinny. I don't like how skinny they are. The thumbnail turned out fine. The rest of them just look really skinny. Maybe I should have went with bigger dual tips. Wider, whatever. But then I don't know if they would have fit, so who knows? Guess we'll never know unless I do it again. If you guys want to see another video me using these dual tips, comment that down below. If you liked the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And here we go with the cabochons and the pearls. Everything is from AliExpress except for the bigger ones. Those are from Amazon. I will leave links down below. I'm going to use my Makartt gel glue. This stuff is awesome. I love it. It works amazing. My gems stay on forever with that stuff. I really like these pearls, but you definitely want to top coat them because I've noticed if you don't, the shine will go away after a little while. so I did top coat those. Now I thought these bows, yes, they're a little big, but I thought they were cute for the occasion, you know. I thought they went with the nails, so I popped them on there. And then I go in with these tiny little flowered rhinestones. They're really cute. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with the Makartt No Wipe Top Coat. And if you didn't already notice, all the ribbons are upside down. I can't believe I did that. So after I have applied the top coat, you're going to do a full 60-second cure. I'm going to add Loved by Verdi's cuticle oil. You can get that at www.lovedbyverdi.com. Rub that in real good. And that's it. That is it for this design, you guys. These are one of the 2 breast cancer awareness nails that I will be doing. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know again with a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new. Don't forget again to click on the notification bell. And don't forget also to click the all when you do that so you don't miss any of my videos. And this is how they turned out. Let me know what you think. Was it a nail or was it a fail? And for any of the products that I used, all the links will be down below. So you can definitely go and purchase them for yourself if you would like. Alright y'all, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!